So here it is. This is my new workshop. It's double the size of my last one and 3 times the size of the very first one. It's 12 by 17 by 4 meters and it's about 900 cubic meters of space I can use.
That's pretty awesome.
So let's just take a quick tour through the workshop and I'll show you what I've got and what I've done already. First of all, let's begin with the electricity. There was almost none of it. Only this unit was on the wall right there and nothing more. No lights, no sockets, nothing. So I had to make everything from scratch. Even before doing that, I had to remove all the old electricity wires and other Soviet legacy.
It's over there.
So I will not go into a lot of details of the electricity. It's just that it's done and I can work. After that I worked on my working area.
So here it is.
Since now I have a lot of sunlight in these wonderful big windows, I decided to add a workbench by the windows. It's not finished yet, but it will be a nice working area.
There's my lumber in the background.
What I've done here, I found a roof drainage pipe, so I've made a sink.
Because why not?
In the other corner of the workshop, I have this unfinished room right here. So I'm thinking to use it to store my lumber. Now it's just also a storage, but it's a huge mess. And in the opposite corner of the workshop, there's another room. And that one I will use for my kitchen and my PC working area. It's also really messy right now, but I think this place will be just perfect. So to wrap it up, all I want to say that I'm super pumped and happy to have this working area. Of course it needs a lot of work to function properly, but I'm really pleased.